Hey Annika, where are we gonna go in? The car wash?
Yeah, the car wash.
You should see what I'm wearing. Astronaut cat. I have my seatbelt. It's supposed to be an astronaut cat. My beautiful face is back. I'm kidding, everyone is beautiful. We're going in.
Hi.
Aww, she said hi. So we're gonna go in here. So it looks like mops, but they spin around. Mops spin around and then we go to the drawing area. Right? So this is Annika. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, so we're going in. Right, Daddy?
Yep.
We have to turn the radio off, right?
Yep, I just did.
We're not allowed to go in with the radio on?
No, I just so you can hear.
Well, look at the color.
You can hear the thing.
Splatting color on it. You know, we're in. It's cleaning it, actually. It's cleaning it.
But yeah, it looks
So,
soon.
this is one of the mop
Go.
looking things. Whoa, it's gonna clean by me. It's so close to me. Whoa, it's getting the windows dirty. Whoa. You can still see out of it a little. But can't really. I'm gonna open it. Whoa. Is this scary, Annika? What? Why are we moving back?
We're not moving.
Oh, it's just moving
Machine
forward.
around us.
Now the mops are gonna spin soon. And now it's putting water, just a little sprinkling of water on a purple. Look, Annika, it's purple on my side. Look, purple. It's just making the windshield wipers better. Whoa, one of the mops is spinning behind us. A mop is spinning right there. Whoa, the mop. The mop. Are we moving?
No, that's the machine moving around us.
Whoa, it's moving us.
No.
Here it comes. Whoa, the mop. Ah! Whoa, it's on it. It's on the window, Annika. Where are we at the car wash? Are we gonna go to another slot? To the other slot?
Yeah.
Yay! And then we're gonna go into the drawing area. And then we're gonna go to another slot. Look, mop. It's spinning.
Uh-oh, look at the thing coming down the front.
Whoa. It's going to the window. Annika, look at mine. Look at mine. Look at my side.
Look at mine.
Is the machine moving us?
Now look, that whole roll's gonna come up the top.
Look, the whole roll is gonna come up here. It's making its way up. It's so noisy. Wow. Whoa, it's up there. It's up there. It's about now it's above us. Annika, look at the camera. Annika. Smile. Oh, we're not taking a picture. Now we're gonna go to the other slot.
I don't think it's done yet, honey.
Oh, but it's not done. I feel like we're moving, but it's actually that thing moving forward. Annika, whoa, it's noisy. It's gonna become dark. Look at this, look at the mops. The window's all wet, but I can't feel it. My Galaxy, this is Galaxy Cat, astronaut. Whoa, it's on the window now. I feel like we're in a tornado or a hurricane. This is so cool, right, Annika?
Yeah.
Is this funny? Is it fun? Whoa, the mop's spinning. I'm just gonna call it a mop. Whoa, it's done. It's done.
Not done.
Or is it?
Oh no, we're turning orange. That's orange.
That's orange.
Why are we turning colors?
Oh.
Why are we becoming rainbow?
Why are we coming rainbow? It's green now.
It's green
Green.
or yellow. Out. Whoa. riding a motorcycle. Wow. Mommy just said hi to you on the phone. She texted. Okay, this is so cool. Look at this. Look at that. Whoa, what is that other slot?
It's called touch free. Oh, here we go.
Are we gonna go in that one?
Mm-hmm.
We are?
Yeah.
We're gonna go in this one next. That makes us pink and blue.
I think this is a dryer.
Are you happy? Then we're gonna go into the other one, right? Are we gonna go?
No, this is it.
Oh, this is it. We're getting dried off. Can I open the window, little daddy?
No, not at all.
Is it big wind?
Yeah, it's still very wet.
Whoa, the water's moving. It looks like it just rained. Whoa, it's dried off on my side pretty much. It's dried off on your side pretty much. How big is, I'm opening it, Dad.
No.
Did you lock it? Whoa. You like it, Annika? Do you want me to send this video to Mommy? I'll send this to Mommy. Whoa. It sounds like a tornado. Can we go in touch free as well?
No.
Why not? This is the other one. You like it? Was this the best car wash ever?
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the air dryer up there. Look at this guy over here. Okay, we're done. It's done.
Yep, we're done.
Now can we go in that one?
No,
Daddy?
we're done. That's it. It's over.
It's
Now
over.
We get to go home.
Now we get to go home.
Yay, home.
No.
Now, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, George.
Okay then. Bye.
Bye, George.